September 26th, and I brought you 269th drop of the living water. We are learning about the rejuvenation of eagle. The hard time, how he is making that very crucial determination in this determined time. Right? Remember his beak, sharp beak, bent and cannot eat anymore. His talons got bent and no prey anymore. And his wings were heavy and heavy. Now it stitched to the body and now cannot fly. So in this situation, he has two choices, either die or live. At this crucial time, this is what his choice. He chooses to live. No matter how hard it is, no matter what are the hardships that he has to go through the furnace, how furious, how hot that temperature, how hard it is, doesn't matter. He chooses to go through that, not to die. Never allow the death come to me. I will fight. Fly or fight. Flight or fight. He fight. He fight to flight. Got it? So this is something very, very important we need to learn and adopt from eagle. Right? So now what he is doing, let's see how the process. Now remember his beak is very bent, no, cannot stretch. This is the first step. He flies up high as much as he can. He is flying against a rock, very hard rock, and he goes there. He flies very fast and go and hit that rock against his beak. His beak against the rock, what happens? The beak fell off. It breaks and fell off. Can you imagine how hard it is? And when his beak fell off, broken and fell off, started to bleed. It's very painful, very, very painful, but no choice. With bleeding, wound, that pain, he comes to the nest. He comes to the nest and rests there until that bleeding wound get healed, and not only that, the new beak has to come. New beak has to grow step by step, cell by cell. Do you think how long it takes? It takes 150 days. If you calculate in months, it's 5 months. So during that whole 5 months, he is starving. No food, no water, 150 days on his, like lying down in his nest, waiting, patiently, bearing that pain and sorrow, loneliness, everything is there. But he chose to. Got it? Once his beak comes, a little by little, now his beak is grown. He has the sharp beak again as it was before. Now the second step. Then what he is doing is, with his beak, he removes his talons one by one. Every claw, he grab it, he like tear it up and remove. How painful it is. Imagine how painful our nail. Remove how much, what a lot of pain we cannot even bear. Now he has all the nails, all the claw, talons has to remove. He does it by himself, tolerating, bearing that bleeding pain. And then now he has no claws. All nails are broken, now wounded and bleeding. Now he tolerates and wait until all the wounds are getting healed and new claws getting grow. Right? Now beak is okay now, healed and grown. Now all the claws, talons, healed and grown. The next step, now still he cannot fly. Now even during this time still the winds getting heavier. Now he is sitting in the cage in his nest, removing every single feather. Can you imagine how painful would it be? No matter what, he removed every single feather from his wings and everything. Now he is naked. This naked eagle is lying in his nest, waiting patiently until again his feathers and wings are getting like new things come. Until that, starving, remember, starving, no food, no water, no one is around, all alone, but pain and terrible pain. He is still doing that, going through that, choose to go through this process. Why? To live. Got it? So what is next? Let's talk about that tomorrow. Be ready. May the Lord God bless you.